All right, this is going to be a lesson on California Dreamin' by the Mamas and the Papas. So we're going to start out with kind of an A minor chord, 2, 2, 1, open. We're going to pull that 1 out of there though. We're going to go 2, 2, open, and back to the big 2. So we got 4 notes there. And then we're going to bring this pinky in here and do a 3, 1, O on the second string. We're going to do that 3 times through. And if you can hold those 2 there while you do that other thing, then they all ring together and sound a little bigger. So 2, 2, O, 2, 3, 1, O. And then we have a chord here. You could either do this 2, 2, and 3, or you could do this kind of bigger one, 2, 4, 3, and 5. So if we play all that together with that 2, 4, 3, 5, it's going to sound like. Okay, and then all the leaves are brown. We get into the verse. Now on the verse, there's not a lot to the strumming on this. You could either go like 1 and switch chords. Sometimes it's kind of like a da-na-na-na, like down, up, but you could just go like 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and that type of thing. So it's kind of up to you. You can go 1, 2, and, or you could kind of do like a down, up, 1 and 2 and. So our first chord is going to be A minor, G, F, back to G. So let's try those. 2, 3, 4. G, F to the G. Now we're going to have like an E chord, but this is an E sus. So it's going to be 2, 2, open, kind of like that opening chord we were doing. So we're going to go to the E after that. So we're going to have like 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now here we're only going to have 2 beats. So we have a whole measure of this E sus. So we have A minor. These are all 2 each. Now the E sus. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we go to the E after the E sus, we're going right into an F. 2 beats each on the E to the F. So let's try that again. A minor, 3, 4. A minor, G, F, G, E sus, whole bar. To F, and then C to E, A minor, F, back to E sus again. Now this time we do E for a whole bar. And then we start over, A minor, G, F, G, E sus, back to E, whole bar, A minor, G, F, G, E sus again, back to E. And then we're back to the beginning. So we're going to run all through this again. So same stuff, starting out A minor, G, F, G, 3, 4. E sus, whole bar, and then E to F, E to the F, and then C, E, A minor, F, E sus, to E, whole bar. Now A minor, G again, F, G, E sus, whole bar, E whole bar, A minor, G, F, G, E sus, and then E whole bar again. Now we have a flute solo. We have 3 bars of A minor. Now we're going to have A minor, F, C, E, A minor, F, E sus, whole bar, E whole bar. Now A minor, G, F, G, E sus, to E. And we're going to repeat that little part. A minor, G, F, G, E sus, E. Now we're to the last verse. Okay, so let's go over everything we had. So we got the intro. Like I said, if that one's a little tricky, you could go 2, 2, 3. Doesn't quite get all the notes you really want, but close enough. Anyway, this one again is 2, 4, 3, and 5. Try to get those all really up tall, and then they won't block the ones below them. One more time, intro, and then we'll keep going through the verse. 3, 4. Okay, let's kick off that verse. 3, 4. A minor G, F G, E sus, and then E to F, C to E, A minor F, E sus, to E, A minor G, F G, E sus, E, A minor G, F G, E sus, E, and then we're back to the top, A minor G, F G, E sus, and then E to F, C to E, A minor F, E sus, E, A minor G, F G, E sus, E, A minor G, F G, E sus, second ending E, flute solo, A minor, second bar, third bar, now we're going to have A minor F, C to E, A minor F, E sus, E, and then A minor G, F G, E sus, E, and we'll repeat that last part, A minor G, F G, E sus, E, last verse, A minor G, F G, E sus, and then E to F, C to E, A minor F, E sus, E, A minor G, F G, E sus, actually twice on this one, and then we have a tag, we have an A minor G, F G, repeat that 3 times, A minor G, F G, one more time, and then we got F, okay, so we had a couple bars of F there at the end. Now that last bar of F has some faster, trickier stuff. That's all written out in the tab. So we got 1 E and 2 and 3 E and a 4 E and, so real slow, it's 1 E and 2 and 3 E and a 4 E and A minor, hold it. So once again, so real slow on that. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, A minor. Try it. 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, A minor. Okay, California Dreamin', Mamas and the Papas. This has a tab, like I say. Check out that chord chart and follow along. Great song, just played it on the Grammys the other night. Very cool. Thanks for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you soon. Thanks.